Welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name's Ken. Today's experiment is it a raw egg or a hard-boiled, cooked or not cooked? And so we're going to be able to test this a couple different ways. And all you need for this experiment is a raw egg and a hard-boiled egg. And we're going to do the experiment next. All right, for the first test, we're going to see if it's a hard-boiled egg. And if it is a hard-boiled egg, it should stand straight up because it's solid inside and the center of mass is in the middle. There you go. Right there is your hard-boiled egg, and that's how you're able to tell by spinning it, and it stands straight up because it's a solid. Now, if we take the soft-boiled egg and we give it a spin, it just spins. And the reason it is because the yolk inside isn't solid like the hard-boiled egg. It's sloshing back and forth, causing the egg to just spin. Like that. So, if you take this egg and we were to spin it and then stop it, it should continue to spin because of Newton's first law. Like that. That's cool science. So right there, even though I stopped the hard shell, the egg, and I released it, the egg continued to spin because of Newton's first law. Something in motion continues in motion. That's so cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe because it really does help my channel. Thanks for watching.